about the upcoming elections of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. I won't take much time and I'll be very, very brief and very specific. First, we have to remember that in any election, there will be different members from different families, different villages, different polling stations, who will support different candidates of different political parties. And different political parties will come and try to brainwash all of us with different issues, try to bring up different agenda, will try to give all kind of lecture against different political parties. And there will be a lot of heat in the election. But when election is over, and all the dust settles down, people will again talk about development. People will talk about livelihood. People will talk about different kind of help that they require in different times. And that is why, no matter what propaganda people will bring during the election campaign, please remember that when election is over, nobody else will come. And you will have to sit down and think about the development of your village. You will have to think about the personal help and support you require